guys? It's been a minute, but we're back grinding. We're here today in the shop with our K-Series swap stand. One of the most popular stands we make, the most sold to date by far. Nonetheless, it makes wrenching easier, so we're here today to show you exactly how it works real quick. We have an EK hatchback up here. This is a personal build of ours, mine actually, as well as the engine. And we're gonna go ahead and show you exactly how this comes right down on here and gets the engine installed. So before we get all the way down here into the engine bay, we kind of want to talk about, a lot of people think that you need a lift like we have here in the shop in order to even use our product. That is completely false. You can do this the same exact way in the garage with the regular floor jack, jacking your car up or down front, however you'd like to do it. But that was just a note, just to let you guys know you do not need a lift, although it does make it easier, obviously. So let's go ahead and lower this down and get a little closer. Alrighty guys, so we're right here ready to go. As you can see, our mount inside the chassis is loose, ready to go. The post mount is lined up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just get this mount kind of like that there. And you're gonna be able to see this mount literally line itself up on both sides to the tranny and the post mount. Alrighty, so you can see we brought the engine down, and upon bringing it down, it's perfectly lined up here on the post mount. You can see there, we flipped that guy down right there. We're gonna go ahead and put our bolts in here by hand. Nut on the tranny side. Get those installed. Motor's ready to go up. So now that the engine is bolted in the car, you see we just have the stand here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here. All you need to do is just remove the entire stand here. We're gonna go ahead and get the other bolts out because we didn't loosen them all the way. And there's your engine stand right there. Go ahead and kick this guy into the corner over here. And then you can continue working on your car. Again, this is the K-Series swap stand. You can see super easy installation. A couple bolts on the post mount, one nut on the engine or on the transmission. Up you go, stand comes off, you're ready to keep moving on your build. Those guys are gonna be available on the website for Black Friday. Make sure you guys check it out. The sale drops on 11/22, which is next Monday. All K-Series swap stands are gonna be in stock, ready to go. All right, so we also wanted to show the removal process real quick. Same process basically. We got our stand back up here. We got it bolted up, same way it came out. That's on there real quick. And we go ahead and lower it down until the wheels touch, and then we unbolt it. All right, so the engine's all the way down. The car's touching the floor. We're gonna come over here. Take out our post mount. Come over here. Go ahead and lift it up out. All right guys, so as you can see, the motor's uninstalled now. We're out of the car again. We can go ahead and just roll this guy over. What we normally do, we got a little storage area over here. We just slide that guy right underneath the table there. That's how you have it. There's an install and removal utilizing our K-Series swap stand. Those are gonna be available on the website for Black Friday, guys. Get them while they're hot. We also got a new product for you guys. Let's take a peep at that. All right, guys, as we said, we got a new product dropping to you guys. We have a full chassis dolly that is good for EG, DC, and EK, both two-door and hatchback. We've been sitting on this guy for a while. We've been using it personally. We've been testing it essentially. We've changed wheels a few times, getting it just right for you guys. So today we're gonna show you guys exactly how this works, what's included in the kit, and when it's gonna be available. So we have the entire kit here laid out. You might be asking why we have 5 wheels. We'll get to that later once we have it onto the car. We have a front brace here which bolts to the front subframe where the subframe would go. We also have a rear brace that is going to bolt to the rear controlling arm. And also everything uses the stock bolts. So these are the stock rear lower control arm bolts. The front also uses the stock subframe bolts that go up. And basically We're gonna install the rear here, and then we're gonna work our way forward, get the wheels installed, get this guy off the lift, and get it out of the shop and show you exactly how easy it is. So we're gonna start here with the rear. I'm gonna put the rear up real quick. On. That's basically the rear brace there that's going to be bolted to where the rear lower control arms would normally go. So that guy's secure. We're going to come over here. We're going to grab the front brace. We're going to grab our extensions. As you can see, everything is collapsible so that it's good for shipping. It saves everybody a little bit of money. That's going to go ahead and slide on there like that. This is gonna go ahead and slide on there like that. We're gonna take our front brace here. We have our stock front subframe bolts there. We're gonna go ahead and put this guy inside here. Boom. Put our subframe bolts up to the chassis. That guy's on. Basically just get them hand tight in here. They don't need to be super crazy tight. Snug them up. So as of right now, the entire chassis dolly is on the car. It's secured to the front and rear subframe locations. These are the wheels that we utilize. They are an 8-inch wheel, hard rubber. This is not air, this is hard rubber, solid. We have mounted plates onto the front and rear subframe mounts that these are going to bolt to. So let's go ahead and get the wheels on and get this thing rolling. So we got the wheels on, guys. This chassis dolly is 100% installed on the chassis, secured in the rear on the rear subframe, secured in the front subframe. Wheels are on. Let's go ahead and lower this guy down off the lift and see what we're working with. Alrighty, so we are off the lift now. The car is 100% on the dolly. As you can see, it's already loose, ready to go. Let's get this other lift leg out of the way. And basically at this point, the entire car is mobile. It's on the chassis dolly. You can go ahead and push this guy out. You might as well take it outside while we're at it. So alright guys, that's it for the chassis dolly. Car is outside on the dolly, completely mobile, 100% ready to go. You can paint your car, you can restore your car, you can condition your car, you can clean your car. Whatever you need to do, that chassis dolly is going to do it for you. That's going to come as a complete kit. It's going to come powder coated, just as our engine stands do. If you want to get a custom color like you do on our engine stands, we could also do that as well. This guy's going to drop on 11/22 Monday, 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. Eastern or Pacific Standard Time on the website. Be on the lookout for that. Our Black Friday deals start on Monday as well. That's included in the Black Friday sale, guys. That's all it. That's our new product. That's our engine stand. We make racing and wrenching easier. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.